Diamonds are the most sought-after gemstones in the world. Diamond is the only gem made of a single element, carbon. Another material made only of carbon is graphite. The difference between graphite and diamond is crystal structure. Carbon atoms in diamonds are bonded in the same way in all directions, known as diamond cubic, while carbon atoms in graphite are arranged in hexagonal structure. As a result, graphite is soft and easily breaks, while diamonds are 10 on the Mohs scale of hardness, 58 times harder than any material on Earth. Diamonds are made from 99.95% carbon, and 0.05% of diamond structure can include trace elements that can influence its color. For example, when nitrogen reacts with carbon, the diamond formed might be yellow or orange color, while trace amount of the element boron will make the diamond become blue in color. Diamonds were formed around 1 to 1.5 billion years ago, 100 miles below the Earth's surface, under a tremendous pressure and very high temperature, and they are brought up to the surface by a very deep-seated volcanic eruption. The first diamonds were discovered in India in 4th century BC. Indian diamonds came to Europe in medieval times, in the caravans that traveled to the Venice markets. These beautiful gemstones were popular among Europe's elite. Currently, the leading diamond producers are Russia, Canada, Botswana, Angola, South Africa, Australia. Diamond is associated with strength, love, and health. It is the birthstone for the month of April, and is the gemstone for the 60th and 75th wedding anniversary. The best way to clean your diamond is with a soft toothbrush and warm soapy water.